In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link text on Discord. If you've ever wanted a clean, professional-looking message where a word or phrase is clickable, this is exactly how to do it. Discord supports a simple formatting style that lets you turn any text into a link without cluttering your chat with long URLs. Start by setting up the structure. Type an open square bracket, then a close square bracket, followed by an open parenthesis and a close parenthesis. Think of it as creating two little containers. The square brackets will hold the text people see, and the parentheses will hold the actual web address. Next, place your cursor between the square brackets and type the text you want people to click. This could be something like "read more," "our server rules," or any clear phrase that tells others where they'll go. Keep it short and descriptive so it's easy to understand at a glance. Now move to the parentheses. Between them, paste or type the full URL you want to link to, and make sure it starts with HTTPS. That's important. For example, you might do left square bracket, news, right square bracket, left parenthesis, example.com, right parenthesis. Notice there are no spaces between the closing bracket and the opening parenthesis. It should look exactly like this pattern. But your text, your link here. If you don't include HTTPS at the start, Discord may not recognize it properly as a link. So, always include that part. When you send the message, Discord will automatically turn the bracketed text into a clickable link. You'll see only the text you wrote in the brackets, nice and tidy, and clicking it will open the URL you placed in the parentheses. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If your link is long or includes symbols like question marks or dashes, that's fine. Just paste the whole thing inside the parentheses. On mobile, you may need to switch to the symbols keyboard to find the brackets and parentheses. If you make a typo, you can edit your message and fix the bracket, text, or URL just like you would any other message. And for clarity and accessibility, choose link text that clearly describes the destination rather than something vague. That's all there is to it. With brackets for the text and parentheses for the HTTPS link, you'll have neat, clickable links in your Discord messages every time.